So the first thing is when you say when the mindset is, I don't want to just make 300 dials today. I want to just see how many people I can help today. I want to pause with that and just say that I've experienced this in my own career too, especially 4 or 5 years into my sales career. I started to realize every single day I have this same anxiety in the back of my mind of how much money am I going to make today? Because I was 100% commission, right? I had to go out there every single day and get it done, just like many people listening right now, business owners, entrepreneurs, insurance salespeople. Like I worked with a lot of people with Aflac, and they're not getting paid if they're not bringing in business, right? And I would constantly think to myself, I hope I see a lot of people today. I hope people pick up the phones today. And I realized I can't control that. The only thing I can control is my activity. It's the only thing I can control. But I also realized that my stress and anxiety went way down once I started saying to myself, you know what? I'm just going to do my job. I'm going to put in the work, and I'm going to do my best to serve every single person today at the best of my ability. I knew that if I did that and if I served them and did the best that I could for them, everything would pay off for me in the end.
100%. And I want to touch on something else, commissions. Now, when I started with the insurance space, I went to 100% commissions. I was a single mom with 3 kids, and I had no backup plan. It was succeed or lose your house. So, and you have to really know who you are on the inside. And am I going to be just trying to use the leads that the company gave me? Or am I going to try to build relationships with those around me and really go forth and do good, And that's exactly what I did. And within a year, I doubled my income from what I was living paycheck to paycheck with the job that I had before. So for those of you that are afraid of 100% commission sales, you have to know who you are as a person first. If you know, like for me, I was not going to let my children starve, and I was not going to lose their house that they lived, that they were brought up in. So that was my desire to make sure I helped enough people get what they need so I could have a better life for me and my kids.
Yeah.
And so many people just get so nervous. I've seen so many people walk away from sales because of 1, the training, and 2, because it's 100% commission. Although it's the best type of job ever is sales.